Welcome to KD Custom Woodworking. I'm Kevin Dunphy. My cameraman has to leave, but he stayed here, and I allegedly did it. What it is about this house, and I looked at some of the views. We got hardcore people that love our site, but we're still low because people think, or the algorithms think, that I'm a tool site. But I did tool reviews because I use the goddamn tools, and it's that simple. But they gave huge numbers. We got 30,000, 50,000. But for building, we're not, because they want you to say, hey, stay in your lane. But no, I'm a cabinet maker. And then this is a cabinet maker's house. It's crooked as hell because, like we said, we're on old farmland and they subdivided. They took this out, the guy took it for his daughter, took it out for his son, everything else. So it's kind of like this. And we had to build it, literally the house like that downtown, which was full of hydro wires, everything else. And in here, we got the bathroom. We are so stoked about having the bathroom under the stairs. It is too cool. But the big thing is, what we're great at is making sure you don't forget anything. This wall here is taken, because you saw some of my other videos, flex in a totally different approach. Now we've taken all the beam here, weight here, and just transferring it down to the concrete. And then that's the different things with us. But what's really cool with this house is the stuff that we found. Like this paper. This paper has its date. Volume XX V1L. That is cool. Because back then, this is 1900. Look at that paper. It looks like it just came off. And this is stuff that they made. I think this is for a horse or something, like a carriage connecting. This is the bolts they used to go through. I think this is a flute. Somebody probably had a little piece of metal inside to make, I keep finding stuff like this. Look at these bottles. There's something in it. I don't know. We haven't found. I don't know if I should be touching with my bare hands. This is probably the elixir.
Yeah, doctor's medicine. It says it on that.
Yeah, elixir. Like a couple of these a day, and we're saving everything. Look at all this stuff. Come on in here, Prince. Come close. Look at that bottle. That one I think is not that old, because I could tell by the glass. Because a lot of this glass, you can really tell. It was,
Fine pickles.
Yeah. So, then here, this looked like it got burned.
No, that's a phone directory.
Phone directory, eh?
Yeah, see, it's from New Hampshire and
Cornwall, Buckinghamshire. Wow. And so we saved all the artifacts. Well, this tool made it. Would our hammer stuff make it this far? Yeah. So watch us on our journey. We love cabinet making, and I'm a renovator first. I'm not a builder, so we're starting to get into the cool stuff. And you can see here, this is my last thing, I promise, Prince. I got the windows all framed out. They're going to be extra deep, so when I come here, like that, it'll come like that. I'll butt in. I didn't want to go under there. I left it 1 inch around. That'll all be styrofoam to keep the air. And I'll keep this like this, and it'll be slightly up. And I'll have a nice big sill. So these are the little things that I think that this is why it will be the cabinetmaker's house. If you go back at our other videos, look at all the cabinets that we made. We've been doing this a long time. And you see, I feel that some of my best work is going into this house. We're getting close now. We've got a closet here, and we're thinking of the trades. So you walk in, I got my closet, I'm gonna have a bench here to sit. I think the benches are great, especially if you have kids. And this is gonna be electrical. This might be electrical. If I'm not, I gotta be 10 feet. I gotta be 10 plus a turn.
Okay.
So I'm right on the margins. If I'm off, well, Ryan's gonna let me know. So electrical, plumbing, forced air, all that they can run. The bathroom right on top, and you can see all the room we have for the drains and everything. Like, we're making this easy for the trades. I'm doing it the way I want it. So they're gonna have to run a line to the bathroom. They'll go up here on this side, then go on the beam and run 2 water lines. It'll be that easy. So please subscribe. We'll go on our journey. Prince is starting to get pretty skilled. He's starting to feel a little proud of himself there. It's like starting to understand. So it's kind of cool. He's worked
Sure
part-time, and he's been here from the beginning, and he works a lot. This isn't his full-time job, and I keep him here late hours. So see you later, Prince. Clean up. I'll be back.
See ya.